Hi, aftercare friends. I got a little experiment for us to do since we can't get it done at school. So all you need is a box of Skittles, water, and a dish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the Skittles, and you can do a pattern. You can do all the different colors. You can do however you think you want your colors to show. So I'm just going to do them all around the edge. I'm not going to do a particular order, but if you're at home, you can try different patterns yourself. So I'm just going to put them all around. Alright, so now I'm going to take the water and I'm going to pour it in the middle and pour it until it touches the Skittles. And slowly the Skittles will start to lose their color off the candy, and they'll make up, if you look closely, see how they're starting to dissolve the color? And soon the colors will drift together, and they'll make a pattern that you can see from the colors. It's a simple experiment. You can do it right at home on your kitchen table. As you can see, they're starting to blend like a rainbow almost. You can shape them differently if you want to put some through the middle and then try it that way. I just did a circle. But as you can see, they're starting to dissolve and the colors are coming together. So have fun with it, friends.